Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and welcome back to my channel. Here I've got slightly video for you today. It is a package I got from Poland for the new design team I'm a part of. And this one is called Laserowe, Lowe and Lexi Designs. And I'm going to show you what I got here to create few projects in the coming months. So let's have a look what's inside this box. As you can see, I've got quite a big range of different products. So first I wanted to show you 3 stamps I got. There is a beautiful stamp with a flower, granddad with a grandson, and also that amazing animal, which I'm going to use for some folk art cards. So stay tuned for that. In the package, I also got those wooden elements, which you can use for a variety of projects. And those hearts would be perfect for upcoming months. Here, there is a really big element that you can decorate with whatever you want, because it has 2 layers. So you can either paint inside or use one of the design papers and decorate it the way you want. So this is so cool. And you can actually hang it on a wall as well. Then I've got some small chipboard elements, and actually they are so amazing because they are both in English and in Polish. So I can use them for lots of different projects. So let's have a look here. I hope you can see that. They are so beautiful, and actually you can color them in with whatever color medium you want, including paints, alcohol markers, literally whatever you want. Actually, you can also emboss them as well, which is so cool. This one is my favorite, and if you're interested in any of those products, please let me know in the comments so I can link them if you want, because this is a very new company for me and I really wanted to try something different. I've never used chipboards before in my card making, so I thought let's give it a go. If you like any of those, please let me know which one is your favorite. Do you prefer the sentiments or maybe flowers? And there are also some pets as well, including amazing cats and dogs. Here we've got 3 happy birthday chipboards. Then again, something with love, because why not? St. Valentine's Day is coming, so that would be perfect. This one is just so cool. I'm not really sure if you can see, but it has 3 different elements with some animals. And I'm going to show you the matching design paper in a second. Or maybe a moment. There are also beautiful, absolutely beautiful flowers. And you can use any side that you want, whichever works for your design. Then we've got some more animals. And this one would be so perfect for any dog lover. As you can see, we've got a couple and also a lady with a dog. And here as well, you can say a guy. And then there are some sentiments with dogs included. These are so cool, right? Have you ever seen anything like this before? Because I haven't, and I really like it. This one will go so well with this design paper that I'm going to show you in a moment. And this one is in Polish, and I think this is so cool. With the design papers, I also got some strips with some sentiments, and these are so cool because on one side you've got English version, and on also there are some English here, but with some of them you also have beautiful elements to fussy cut like tags and the sentiments on the other side, which you can use for a variety of occasions. So what do you think about this color palette so far? Do you like that orange, let's say vanilla color, and that beautiful blue? And these will go so well with the design paper I'm going to show you in a moment. And they actually make me think about the chipboards I just showed you. Oh my gosh, I really like them. They will be perfect for some gifts for babies, and you can actually use both sides, which is so cool. Now let's have a look at design papers. I actually took them off the bag because I don't like the sound of foil in the video, so that's why I did it here. So this design paper has 5 double-sided sheets, and these are 250 GSM, which is very sturdy, nice card. And you can use those elements to create your projects as well. So never ever throw the front part from your design paper. As you can see, this is just so beautiful. And this one is called Grandma's Kitchen. Then we've got all those elements to fussy cut. Aren't they gorgeous? What do you think about them? And then on the other side, we've got that beautiful design, which could be perfect for a background panel or a bigger project. I really like those tiles here. I think these are my favorite. And another design on the other side. Then we've got some elements you can use for autumn cards as well, with lots of beautiful leaves, jam, jags, plums. This one is actually one of my favorite fruits, so that would be perfect for lots of different occasions. Okay, this is the one with another tile set. I really, really like them. And those apples in the basket are simply gorgeous. So what do you think about this color palette for the first paper design? Do you like it? Do you think, how many projects can I create with it? The second design paper is called Forest Celebration. And again, you've got 5 double-sided sheets, 250 GSM. And these come from Lexi Design, like the previous design paper. And this color combo is really unique. I really like this because I don't really use that color palette very often. So, to be honest, I like to challenge myself from time to time and get out of my comfort zone to try something new. As you can see, those elements will match the strips we had here. Oh, look at this couple. Isn't it cute? And at the very bottom, you also have some sentiments you can use for projects as well. And look at those leaves. These are just so beautiful. And you can color them in with whatever color medium you want to use. Then we've got that beautiful design paper with some strips. And another beautiful background paper. I really, really like it. This pink would be perfect for some baby girl celebration cards or projects. And again, look at this design paper. Lots of elements to fussy cut. And to be honest, that design paper here makes me so happy, because we can use them for so many birthday projects for all the kids, including the banners and the balloons. And that's the last side. Please let me know which one is your favorite here. Which one would you like me to see to create something for you? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and in the description down below I will leave the link to Laserowe Lover, where you can check all the amazing products there. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting! Bye for now, see you in my next video!